Hi there. In this video, I want to talk to you about the secret of raising 50,000 plus in grant funding. My name is Bumi Toko. There are three things you need to do if you want to raise upwards of 50,000 pounds. Number one is you need to keep writing applications. As simple as that is, many people stop just because they get some form of rejection from a funder or two or three or four. You just got to keep on going. Those who raise money are those who keep on going. It's that simple. Number two, you got to write quality applications. What do I mean by quality applications? Well, a quality application is an application that is clear, that aligns perfectly to the funder's requirements and also focuses on outcomes. When I talk about outcomes, I mean the people that you're going to help. What benefits are they going to derive from that project that you're going to run? And also, those outcomes needs to align with the funder's outcomes as well. If you can do that, that's the second thing you need to do that is going to more or less guarantee that you will get funding. And then number three, you've got to get feedback and tweak your applications accordingly. If you are not getting feedback and if you are not tweaking your applications to meet the funder's requirements, then you're likely to get the money. So those three things need to be in play together. Number one, you keep applying. Number two, you make sure that your application is one of what I call top quality. And then number three, you need to get feedback and tweak your applications. If you do that consistently over time, you will raise grant funding. But if you don't, you won't. However, I've got news for you. If you're really serious about grant funding, we've got a new service that we've just created called Funding Success Club. What is the Funding Success Club? Well, we've put together all our experiences over the past few years, and we've written over 100 successful grant funding applications. So we put that together to create a GPT called GrantMate. GrantMate is going to help you write your applications faster. It's going to help you write it more accurately. And because we've trained it with all our successful applications, it's going to help you possibly put together a successful application. So you're going to get the GrantMate. Secondly, when you join the Funding Success Club, you will also get the monthly Q&A and monthly workshop access. You will have access to come to a live monthly workshop where we actually teach you about a current grant funding application and also answer all your questions. You will have access to our template. You will have access to our prompts. You will have access also to a peer-to-peer group where you and other people like yourself will encourage each other to keep on going and establish your charities or your non-for-profits in a better way. Now, the other good news is that this service will only cost you £1 in the first month. And in that first month, you get everything I've spoken about, okay? And possibly more. You'll also get discounts to our other services as well. Now, and you can cancel anytime. The first month is £1 and subsequent months are starting at £9 if you get the incredible discount or £19 a month. And this may have gone higher by the time you get to watch this video. But one thing will remain. The first month will always be £1 because we really want to help charities and other non-for-profits. So if you like this video, please like it. If you like this video, do subscribe to the channel. My name is Bumi Tokon. If you want more information on the Funding Success Club, take a look in the description and you'll find our details there. All right then. Bless you. See you soon.